What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Happy to have you on here. Today we're going to be looking at another amazing tool, Lottie Labs. Lottie Lab is a motion design tool for product teams, for developers, for graphic designers to help them create and edit Lottie animations and ship to their apps and website. And so LottieLab is going to allow you to create some of these amazing animations. So maybe you want to create a loading animation, a transition animation, or simply just an image to be playing around somewhere on your project. And so you can easily do this with LottieLab. As you can see, it has a very minimalistic interface. There's not a lot going on, and you can really control all the aspects of your animation. So as always, you can see it is trusted by many major brands and they make use of these. And so here you can see design to motion in a snap. Import assets from your favorite design tools or start from scratch in LottieLab. So animate with ease and speed, easy to learn and full of powerful features. Lottie is the fastest way to animate. So as you can see, you just change the lines, the directions, the angles and everything, and you can easily animate just based on that. So share, review and ship to iOS, Android and even web. All your animations, you have full control of the colors, the sizes, and basically all and every aspect of your animation. So animations for all scenarios. Let's check out just some amazing examples. So yeah, as you can see, if you head on to LottieLab.com/examples, you can see some examples of the animations which can be done on here. So there are quite a lot and there are some amazing. It offers a lot of features, as you can see. So if you're wondering where some of these animations were created, well, wonder no more, here you go. So you have an animation for Uber, Dribble, Arc browser, Nike, and many others. So as you can see, you can design your animation as well for your loading indicators and much more. YouTube, yes, contact us. Twitter, Bird is even on here. You even have smiley faces that can be customized and that can be animated here. And basically you can animate any logo as well, as you can see. So wow, yeah, so there are a lot of it. You can definitely check this out and see which animation you like to have on or what you like to do. So you can design, animate and share equally. So some of the resources they have here are blogs and tutorials which can help you get started. So yeah, this is an amazing tool. It really helps you to create some of these unique and amazing animations that you want to add to your projects to really just bring life onto all of your projects or your websites, your app, or whatsoever. So yeah, definitely check out LottieLab. It's going to allow you to do just this. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you on the next one.